Hello out there to all my friends in the vintage sewing machine world. So today I have a Davis vertical feed sewing machine. It's a treadle, and for anybody who's that interested, the serial number on it is 3719331. I believe this has a manufacturing date right around 1919 is what I was told. So we're going to do some sewing today on some denim. I cut up some scrap jeans here. And I do have to apologize. I do have it set on the furthest setting for longer stitches, and something is out of alignment, so it's not going to be doing longer stitch. This is a row that I previously did, and we're going to try to follow that. Got a single layer of denim here, and then I do believe we've got 3 layers right here. We've got this folded over and that, and then up ahead I've got 4 layers of denim. It struggled the first time going through the 4 layers, not because of the machine, but because the treadle belt was I think it's an old belt, and it's not getting a whole lot of grip on the wheel. So we'll see how it goes, and if you can bear with me here, I'm new to treadling, so I might be a little rough getting things started, but here we go. Right, let's take a look. There you go. Other than a brief pause for the slippage of the belt, because I said it's an older kind of dried out belt, it went through 4 layers of denim, no problem. And this is the needle that it came with when I got it, so I think this needle's seen a lot of usage over the years, but it's still a great needle. So let's see here if we can go back again and what we can do. All right, let's take a look at that. Right there. That's pretty amazing. All 3 rows of the stitches were done with this. And as I said, it hesitated a little right here. That's because the belt was slipping a little bit. Eventually when I get a newer belt, I'll put that in there, but yeah, for a machine that's over 100 years old and some elbow grease, it does an amazing stitch. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully someday you'll have the opportunity to own one of these great machines.